Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey.
Bounce. West side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. North side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Right now. Fed side, make 'em bounce right now. Right now. Get the money and we out right now. Right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make 'em bounce right now. Like that.
Time for comment shout out. First comment shout out goes to my girl Ify. What's good?
Thank you for leaving a comment and always supporting me, not just on YouTube, okay, but on my Instagram. I appreciate the love and thank you.
My girl Ose, back to back to back. I mean, you already know. When I post, she will be there. Down in the comment section. You're the real one. And the third comment shout out goes to Kimmy. What's good, girl? Thank you so much for supporting me. And you know what? She went back. Okay, she went back and commented on my old videos and then re-emerged in my new ones. Y'all already know I appreciate every comment that all of y'all leave. Welcome back to another Melanin Monday. I know I've been gone for quite a while. It's been a month that I've seen you, that I've talked to you. I missed you. But last month was rough, and I can say that for a lot of people. The ending of last month was really tragic as well. Starting from now on in this month, you know, I'm trying to get back to the way I was feeling before. It is a process, I know. I was going through a couple personal things on top of that in March, and it was just like, March, get away. But I'm over March. But now we are in April, okay? And it's time for us to celebrate another brand that has been putting on for darker skin before it was a trend. And that is the one and only Lancôme Cosmetics. I remember all my favorite dark skin beauty influencers way back when talking about the Teint Idole Ultra Lancôme foundation and being like, dang, okay, I can get this and know that it comes with darker shades that will match me and people darker than me. So I was like, okay, you know, that was always my goal back when I couldn't afford, okay, higher end makeup, but I always was like, okay, once I can, I'm gonna get me a lot of Lancôme Cosmetics products because it seems like they be looking out for women that look like me. And long behold, I got me a couple, you know, things for me to review. So you already know, if you think the melanin is popping, you know what to do. You gotta keep on watching. First Lancôme product I'm going to use is their face products, and I really like their Prep and Matte Primer. This one right here preps your face for the rest of the night. If you gotta go somewhere, you already know what you gotta use. You gotta use this. And I picked up another Lancôme. Well,
I've had these for a while, you know, but I did pick them up, literally. But
Lancôme Blur Stick. Been using it for my pores because, as y'all can tell, the pores are out here. They're poking, they're saying what's up. But I do use the Prep and Matte first. See this your body worth more than my money. My money. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. Melanin bella bella bella. You don't even got to pull it up that high, honestly. I was doing the most with that, trying to break my stick. Don't do that. Every time I use Lancôme, I feel like, ooh, okay, I got my life together. I'm here, I'm living. You know, I'm an older, mature woman, you know what I mean? So, you know, after we're done priming our face with our lovely Lancôme products, okay, we're going to move on to foundation. Y'all already know this foundation. I've used it quite a bit. I struggle with saying this name correct. So it is the Teint Idole Ultra 24-hour makeup foundation. I got that right. This is 510. This is the color right here. And y'all should be proud of me because I cleaned my brushes. Look at that. I cleaned them. I'm going to use my BS Small flat foundation brush. And I'm just going to pump some on here. See how like this looks very natural, like, hey, I woke up like 15 minutes ago, well, let's go, you know what I mean? I ordered some new products from Lancome that I've never tried before, so I'm really excited to try them right now. And the first is their Teint Idole Ultra.
See, I'm on a roll. Okay, I'm getting this name right.
But I got the concealer, and I got it in the color 435 Suede. Let me shake this up because this was a little watery. And
let's shake it up.
Ooh, this is thick. But I know they have different brands of concealer. It's just because I wanted to match my concealer with my foundation to see how they go with together. Blended out pretty nice. Let me just put some left over under my eyebrow bone because, you know, this look we're going for is a natural look. We don't want to look like we put in a lot. Another product that I really enjoy from Lancome is their translucent powder. It's called Long Time No Shine Translucent Powder. Next, I'm gonna use that same powder, color Deep. I'm gonna use this as a bronzer.
You know, I gotta swirl it around every time and just put it on. Gets that bronzing effect. And put it on your forehead.
What I really like to do is take some of that powder and put it in my crease just to deepen it up and give it some color. Oh, you know, after we're done getting that together, then I picked up something that I'm really excited about. And okay, the Lancome Glow For It palette. It has a very light, a bronze, and a dark bronze, or a bronze with shimmer. We're trying to look sun-kissed.
Ooh, on top of the bronzer. Just putting that on my cheek. You know, because it can be a blush. Ooh, okay.
Ooh, you see that little color it's putting on my face? Just a little bit. And put it as a highlighter. Okay, like I said before, one thing you cannot knock about Lancome is their quality. Look at that. Look at this highlighter. This looks so good. Look at it right here. Locked in, loaded. I really need to stop it. Take this darker color though, because let me see. Ooh, let me just put my finger in it and put it on my lids. Ooh, I'm definitely giving summer vibes. Summertime. And the going gets easy. I think that's how the words go, right? You know what I really want to do? Since I'm giving y'all some collarbone action, because you know we can do that. Let me put some of this.
Whoa, can y'all see that shine? So sexy, it hurts.
Look at that. Ew, 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 ew. That can be. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm so extra, but yes, my collarbone. Like, yeah. So definitely get this palette. Next, you know, I wouldn't be nothing if I didn't put on some lashes. So we're gonna put on some of these lashes that I got from Amazon. Our lashes are on. We looking good. We looking great. So last but not least, okay, not least, is my favorite setting spray. Fix It, Forget It spray right here. I'm telling you, y'all, this is lovely.
We're not even okay. Let me be serious for once in my life.
I fixed it. Now it's time to forget about it. Oh gee. Okay. And this is the look. I'm telling you, Lancome is, with Lancome, you always get what you pay for. Hopefully y'all get inspired to try one of the products that I did feature on my video. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I have higher hopes for this month of April and the rest of this year going on. If you like this video, please give it a like down below. Make sure you comment if you want to get featured on my next video, and most of all, tap or click that subscribe button down below. Interact with me. You know, we're all family. I will see you, yes you, in my next video. All right, peace.
Nah, my nigga, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation. It's a real nigga celebration. It's a dime block declaration. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. It's the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation. Blue pill in the fucking matrix. Red rose in the great pavement. Young black nigga trapped and he can't change it. Know he a genius, he just can't claim it. Cause they left him no platforms to explain it. He frustrated so he get faded. But deep down inside he know you can't fade him.